Tiwa Savage song, Darlene. Yeah? Now, because I got Tiwa Savage.
No, I'm just saying that. Now, very popular song. Now, I like
Popular song. We like the song.
My darling, my lover. I don't know where I go there, my darling.
Now, who it is that she called it Darlene that time?
No, it's Tunji.
Eh, Naim?
Is there another Tunji? I don't know. I just think that, you know.
Anyway, now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. And I told you, I say we get guest today. Her name na Mofe Boyo. Looking so sexy. See her. Hello, sir. You got 2 fingers in the air now.
No, she know.
What's up?
Yo. I say 2-pack kind of.
See your camera. See that camera where they there, where they right there. Now you go to look every time. Because people not they always remember. How is you?
I dey fine.
How is your ministry?
They go well.
Fine girl. Hey,
no dimples.
No dimples.
No dimples.
What be your name, Gong? The real name where Papa Maggie you?
The real name my papa give me na Mofe Boyo.
Oh, you reminded me that.
Buboye?
Bubemi Boyo.
Bubemi Boyo. Yeah. What do you mean?
Bubemi is Orisha. God has answered my prayer.
It be like Bubemi, be like Boromi.
No.
He said, man, is it bit? I beg, Bubemi 500 naira there. It be like Boromi 500 naira there.
No, be so. Say Orisha Bubemi, God don't answer my prayer.
God don't answer.
So they'll tell somebody.
Yeah.
Orisha.
Yeah. I be Shakiri.
Orisha Nedu.
Shakiri?
Yeah.
I say for a whole man, not they leave the man alone.
I don't know that one, no.
How many men you dey hold now? How many men destiny you don't hold?
Oh, I never know hold any man. Destiny.
You never hold any man? Now, no. So you not get boyfriend now?
No, my destiny I don't now.
You not get any, you get boyfriend?
I don't get.
You not get boyfriend?
Yeah.
Hey! I bet those of you now where they there now, you know say you want friend Mofe, please and please. In fact, our phone line don't open now. Where could I begin the call? If you toast her well, what be the thing where they look for?
Yes.
For man.
What do you like?
What do you like for man?
I never think am before.
Eh? Wait. You never. Okay, wait. Hey! What do you like for woman?
I never think that one at all.
So who you?
What? No, really.
Yeah,
No.
You not follow man, you not follow woman. Who you can't they follow?
When the time for man come, you go.
You mean say you?
I go start to the think
So
that time.
Hey,
so
wait. Mofe, wait. Mofe, you see Katim? You see her face, Abi?
I see him.
You see Exhibit face?
I see him.
You see my face? You see mark for any of our face?
I know see him.
You not see mark. So you come here now.
Look all of us.
Come look all of us. Okay, even if you say you not look my age or look add our age together.
Find the mean.
Find the mean and the median of the age and average of it. You can't look us.
No.
Say you not know man.
No, wait.
Are you know?
No, I be person where I know the sabi. I know they plan something down. Okay, when he come, I go say, okay, if this one
so if
what
he come,
like.
what you they find? So that if he come, you go your quick recognize and say that is
no, my heart go tell me.
Now you see this one get Jerry Coil.
I see him.
You like men where get Jerry Coil, or you like men where be like your
like color TV men, or you like black and white?
Or black and white. Which kind of men you want?
I go see my man when I like. If I see my man, I go also and the man.
So what do you intend to like? Is it a short man with molo head or you know?
Or tall man?
Anyone will strike my heart now, I go for.
So is it people strike your heart now?
No, you don't strike my heart.
I strike your heart.
Small.
Striker. Hey, I'm a striker. I strike for a living.
What's your number? As a striker?
Number 9. I'm a strikist. I strike people's heart. What are you talking about? Anyway, our phone lines on the open. We're gonna begin the call us and talk to Mofe. Mofe, how you day? I don't ask you. Now over to you again. Now, which kind of music? Because you're a music artist today.
Yeah.
Which kind of music you go say you do? Before you answer you kind of music, we ask you. You answer that question. You say from Delta State.
Yeah.
You go school?
Why not?
Which school you go?
University of Benin.
You finish for there?
Yeah.
Hey.
What do you study? Human anatomy part?
No. Science laboratory technology.
Wow.
SLT.
But wait, my sister,
not vex.
I don't know. Why you can't go school? If I go do music now, or do why you don't do SLT
where they test
science, blood? Because they test people blood.
That's
why you can't test blood finish now? Can't they test music?
No, the truth now be say I don't love music even before.
You go to test
only
blood.
say it come up and say I sabi science well. So, you know, now that time I can't say, okay, make I do science. As we say, I sabi science well.
Okay.
But along the line, when I don't they reach 300 level, I call the thing come say, be like say music no call they agree me, but
You dey
I need
drag.
to, I dey
The
drag.
flesh is willing.
But I just need to graduate. You know, Nigeria now, you need to just get that quality for hand
Certificate.
so that you go fit.
Now your mama push you, now your parents push you to go do am. Abi you just want get the certificate.
I don't go fit disappoint my family because everybody from my family na graduate, so I supposed to do them too.
Hey, but why science, technology?
Why you not study IRK, CRK? Muyiwa, good evening.
Agri science.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you?
That's your
What do you dey chop?
For where?
Eh?
I know you just sit in a do pack well.
Give up a pack well.
Maybe now you want to buy the phone.
Oya talk. You want a friend Moyo?
No, I don't want friend, I don't mind. No worries.
Because your wife did there. Oya talk to us, we dey hear you. We know you for your kind.
Boy, how you doing?
I dey fine, oh.
I like your dressing.
Thank you, sir.
Easy peasy, how?
Boss, I got answer. Hey, boss.
And you know
On the
like
road,
dress.
I didn't believe
You
you
don't
for
look
it.
like
I see,
you don't want Mariam.
They do back to you.
Yes, I dey hear you.
Okay, talk now, you talk now. You know, now you dey talk fast.
Me. So
Yes.
what you call me now? Say I be talking machine.
Now you know.
Yeah. Now you say you no want toast her. Meanwhile, you don't look her dressing from beginning to the end. And you like her. My brother, good night.
I don't look at
Good night. You are good night. Ibe from
Hello.
Food Lady, good
Go and
evening,
drink
John.
garri
Go
and
and drink garri and sleep.
Yes.
Peace before you sleep. Oh. Ibe, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Nedu, how are you?
How is you?
I'm fine. Are you?
You want toast Moyo?
Mofe.
Mofe Biko.
Hello.
Hello.
Nedu Kefeno.
I dey fine. I pass some capacity one now.
I'm not the man when him again.
No.
Lewe.
Obadera. Talk to me. We get Mofe for inside studio. You want toast her?
Yeah, I have been once in a while come across with her music.
Come across her or her music. Which of them?
I come across her music.
You come across it. Ngwa toast her now. Man say.
As you have come
No,
across
I'm married now.
Your wife
I'm
dey
married.
there.
She went to midweek service.
and you there, they talk.
And you dey they call woman.
I'm
My
not
brother, you will not make heaven.
Why you not put I'm going midweek?
Why you not go midweek?
Email.
Why? Ibe. Now woman you
I'll
want
come
to.
back.
Now
I'll
you
come
don't.
back
You,
very
now
late.
you come across her. You come.
Nedu, that is not the way. That is not the way.
Ngwa, which way now? Now one way.
Now one way now.
Now
you
one
know
way.
now.
That's smart.
One man, one wife.
One man, one. My brother, I'm not talking different thing now. I beg, good night. Ibe sleep, peace before you sleep. I dey buy from you. Could do good evening.
Evening, the draw I do.
I dey fine. Are you with me?
I will thank God. If you do have Nedu, I beg who help you barb your hair.
Now your hair.
No.
Now your
The
baby.
person rub our hair.
Now your baby.
The person rub our hair. See the way they shine.
Now your baby. She be na my hair.
I don't
Who
know.
now who hair don't help?
Are they jealous the barbing and the down and make are they jealous fans?
I beg Mofe. We get Mofe Boyo inside studio, John.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
You want toast her? She not get boyfriend, no.
No, I know they told her because I don't marry.
But wait,
Where your
why
wife?
be say all of una wey dey call don't mind? Where your wife
I'm
dey?
okay, I beg.
Adebayo.
I don't hear.
Where your wife dey?
She there with me now.
Give him phone.
Oh, yeah, okay, why you call?
Okay, I just don't greet Mofe Jare because I don't know the music which they do and any of her music that I can be able to listen to it.
No, you can get where she go where you go get your music?
It is online.
You online, just download because again when they call Bad Break. Just Google Bad Break. You go see and there. Download the Mofe Bad Break. You can enjoy very good music.
And your body will come down.
And your body will come
You
down.
and your wife
Maybe
can
and
do
your
it.
wife dance your wife they call to greet woman.
Look at them.
I beg you more gbas small chicken break because when we come back we'll continue discuss with the Mofe. Meanwhile, she not get boyfriend.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.